Okay, so just took this apart, have a look at the motor on this Numatic Henry. There's a little circuit board there. I don't really know what it's doing, might be speed control, so like a little inverter or something. So it's a little bit more complex than I was expecting. So anyway, here's the motor. You can check through there and just have a look at the brushes. There and there. I mean, these are looking a bit worn, but the motor is working, so I won't change them just yet. So I'm just going to test the winding, make sure there's no shorts. I'll probably just test from the two live mains that attach to it, test all the coils, and then test the rotor. As you can see, there's like commutators on the rotor. You have to test between one and the other all the way around. So might as well do it while we're here and film it. Okay, so I'm just going to test the main windings of the motor. I'm just on constant ohms mode, resistance. That's reading 10 ohms, so I'm happy with that. What I'll be worried about is short circuits or really high resistance. So, check the commutator. I have to drop the camera down a bit. So what you do is just test between one and the other and see what the reading is. So, one little bar and the other bar. .9. You move over to the next two. .9. So go all the way around it and check each one against the next one, and they all should be roughly about the same. I'll do that now.